Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be discussing a very important thing which each and every person in VIT have to face after 6 months in VIT and then every 6 months in VIT. Yes, you are right, it is FFCS, Fully Flexible Credit System. Sounds really interesting but is not at all interesting. So what is FFCS? As a beginner you might be thinking what is FFCS. So इसमें you have to make your own timetable. So बहुत अच्छा लग रहा होगा सुनने में बट इतना अच्छा नहीं है. मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा था कि वाओ वी विल बी एबल टू चूज आवर टीचर्स, आवर सब्जेक्ट्स, आवर स्लॉट्स, हाउ व्हेन टू स्टडी एंड when to wake up, etc. But it took me freaking 9 hours in front of this laptop and calling God continuously. So let me tell you my experience of FFCS and what is FFCS, how to do FFCS, how the screen look, what all you have to do, what are the tricks you need to know. After I have done with my first FFCS, I know some of the tricks and etc. So stay tuned in the video till the end and share with your friends so that they also come to know about FFCS. You are right. So let's start the thing. So now let me show you this thing. So this is the timetable. This is the ideal timetable. How should it look? So there is a mock of FFCS which is provided by VIT when you are doing it for the first time. And when you have to do the FFCS, not in the starting of the first year, that is the first sem. No, they will fix your teacher slots and everything. And then after the first semester, when it is the second semester, you have to choose your teachers and your subjects will be fixed. There will be fixed subject list given to you and you just have to choose the teachers and the slots. And from the third semester, which is the second year, subjects bhi nahi rahega. You have to choose the subjects, teachers as well as the slots. So there will be seniors mixed in your batch also. So there will be competition with your seniors. Abhi to sirf with your batch. Still the site is crashed and overloaded and it's not working. Hell, 9 hours I was sitting in front of this laptop and whatnot. I literally cried at the end. Literally, I'll share you the experience. Wait a moment. So this is the timetable how it looks as I showed you, and this will be the register course list where you will get the subject as well as the credits, the course category, option, class number, slot, venue, faculty and status registered, which will be shown in the VTalk. So this is the register course. So let me tell you how it starts. Actually, before FFCS, that is the fully flexible credit system, you get a list of teacher before the mock test, like the mock FFCS. Before one day of the mock FFCS, you get a whole course list where all the subject along with the slots and along with the teacher is mentioned. Like I am showing one. So this kind of list you will get where the subject code, the subject name and the slot and the teacher's name are mentioned, where you need to fix and like ऐसे एक सोच के रखना कि what are teachers to choose. But unfortunately वो सोचना सब बेकार हो जाता है if it takes like बहुत टाइम अगर ले लिया, तुम लोग का साइट ही नहीं खुल रहा है, which happened with me. I planned so much and I planned an ideal timetable for me, but क्या हुआ, nothing happened. मुझे end moment में सब change करना पड़ा. I need to go with blacklisted teacher. I was ruined that time, seriously. So you will get a list kind of thing. Also there will be a subject list. For the second semester you will also get a subject list where all the subjects are mentioned, which is compulsory to take. You can't drop any subject or add any subject. You can just take the subjects mentioned in the list. Also you can take any teachers mentioned in the whole long list. There is a whole long list. There's a whole long list you can see and you can take any teachers from that. Just go. And how to know which teachers are good? Okay, so you can visit VIT Trends. I am going to mention the link in the description box. It is a very good website to see what all teachers, like did mention teachers, the ratings, etc. I know the ratings are not up to the mark, so you can, after seeing the ratings, you can also confirm it with seniors, etc. so that to get accurate information about the teacher. And likewise you can select the teacher. There is no other option left to do. And also you can do one thing which I did, going to the course page in VIT and seeing the teacher's notes. If the teacher provides good notes, it's of course that you can study from that notes and score good marks. So other thing you can do is that. So moving ahead, during the mock FFCS, the site is like low. The FFCS starts at 10 o'clock and ends after that full day. So during the mock FFCS we were given 2 days. That 2 days the site will be open. So in during 10 o'clock the site was really low. As we clicked on logging, it was just, please wait just a moment, I don't know, just a moment. The moment, what is the real meaning of that moment? Is it hours or days or eternity? It should be just eternity, just an eternity. So like it's loading, and there is no use to wait. If the page is loading, wait for 3 minutes or 5 minutes maximum, and if it is still loading, go back and try again from the start. So what all browsers it is recommended to use? I literally used each and every browser, from Safari to Mozilla Firefox, from Microsoft, etc. I used every damn browser. Nothing happened. Also I used incognito mode. Nothing literally happened. I switched from mobile data to Wi-Fi. I was literally sitting near the, like down the Wi-Fi, but it didn't do anything. So it's all upon your luck. So I would suggest it during 10 o'clock. Just click it, like put everything, the information. What are, like in this is, you can see you have to put your username, your password, and put the captcha properly. उसके वजह से भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है. सो हाउ यू विल गेट दिस साइट? सो इन दी VTop there is a spotlight section. In the first spotlight section there will be the link for course registration available just before 1 hour or say half an hour before your FFCS, the real FFCS I'm talking about. So there will be a link available and you have to click on that. You will visit this page, and ये पेज खोलने में भी बहुत टाइम लगा है. Like literally it took 5 minutes and more than that. So you will visit this page and you have to enter your username, password, etc. And then it's 10 o'clock. Click on that login. Just click it, because अगर तुम एक बार सर्वर में घुस गए, so it's like a गेट में सिर्फ 5 जन जा सकते हैं, and there are 50 people. तो जो 5 जन घुस गए, they will complete their FFCS in half an hour or say 1 hour and come out. So my few of my friends literally completed FFCS 1 hour में, and I took 9 hours to do so. So वो भी मैंने खुद से नहीं किया. I took help from my friend also. So yeah, I was left with 2 important courses till the end, that is physics and BC, and I was like ruined. I was just crying and what not, you can say. So just click on login and you will visit a page where it is written as start registration. Click on that. उसमें भी time लगेगा, don't worry. Click on that, stay patient, have patience, and like go ahead. So then there will be a page after start registration. There will be a page. There will be this page occurring in your paper, like in your screen. So in this page you can see the maximum credit you can take is 27. The minimum is 16. So when the courses are fixed, there is no thing of maximum and minimum. Whatever the college allots you is the thing you have to do. And when it is like the courses are not fixed, you can go with the minimum, or at least you can say go with 19 or 20 for the safer side. You can take. ज़्यादा भी क्रेडिट्स मत लेना एक्साइटमेंट में आके, और कम भी क्रेडिट्स मत लेना, कम तो चलेगा ही नहीं. एंड ज़्यादा क्रेडिट्स ले लोगे तो बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट हो जाएंगे, हेक्टिक हो जाएगा, पागल हो जाओगे. सो यू कैन सी दिस लिस्ट फॉर फाउंडेशन कोर्स. सो ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम व्हेन द कोर्सेज आर फिक्स्ड, वी हैव टू जस्ट क्लिक ऑन फाउंडेशन कोर्स, एंड बाकी के ऑप्शन आर वैलिड फॉर द पीपल द कोर्सेज आर नॉट फिक्स्ड. So foundation core are the courses which you have to compulsorily do. The foundation core non-graded, they are non-graded. What you have to do? And जहाँ पे भी elective लिखा होगा, that is your choice, not compulsion. where पे भी core लिखा होगा, that is compulsory. So समझ गया. And then you have to go ahead. After clicking on foundation course, you will get a whole list. So you will get a whole list of the like courses. So you need to click on register, and there the problem begins. वहाँ पे loading just a moment, you can see it is like for hours and hours the same thing. And keep in mind, ये loading just a moment, don't keep that thing for hours कि कभी तो load हो जाएगा and then we will get the page. No, just wait for 3 to 4 minutes or maximally 5 minutes. उससे ज़्यादा वेट करना इज़ ऑफ नो यूज़. लिटरली देयर इज़ ऑफ नो यूज़. एक बार एरर आ जाता है, गेटवे एरर आ जाता है, स्टिल द पेज विल गो ऑन लोडिंग एंड कुछ नहीं होने वाला. एंड में आपको बंद ही करना पड़ेगा. सो देयर इज़ जस्ट वन ऑप्शन, क्लोज दैट विंडो. एंड जब तुम बार बार क्लोज करोगे तो ये आने वाला है तुमको कि ट्राई अगेन आफ्टर 5 minutes, not properly logged in, logged out. What you have to do in that thing? So you need to clear your cache data, your history, everything, and then try again after 1 or 2 minutes in a different tab. So close that tab, clear the history, cache files, and then try again after 1 or 2 minutes. Don't go and continuously trying. It will not happen. So 1 or 2 minutes just wait कर लो, थोड़ा पानी पी लो और then you will do. And also there is a thing called multiple tab access error. So अगर बहुत सारे tabs खुले रहेंगे यहाँ पे तो ऐसा होगा. So close all the tabs and then just open the tab where the registration is going on to avoid that error. And कोई भी error आता है, go and clear the cache files. बस और कोई option नहीं है. So that's the thing you can do, and try doing in incognito mode, and Mozilla Firefox Chroma is the recommended browsers. खास कुछ हुआ तो नहीं उन दोनों से, but still yeah. So now moving forward, जब तुम्हारा कोर्स के रजिस्टर का लिस्ट खुल जाएगा, there will be the teachers list popping up. So on that list you will see अब सबसे पहले what course you have to register. The STS is the first course compulsorily you have to register. उसके बाद में ही तुम आगे move कर सकते हो. The first course is the STS. The second course is Ethics and Value, which we had in the second semester. Ethics and Value या any non-graded course will be there. वो दोनों तुम्हें करना पड़ेगा. The online mode course. उसके बाद ही you can go to the other courses. वो जब तक नहीं होगा आगे तो तुम move भी नहीं कर सकते. किसी का ऐसा होता है कि वो दोनों भी नहीं हुआ था. So it's like, and STS में क्या लेना चाहिए? It's like the doubt for many students. Go with Smart. Smart is the best one, and then FACE, then Athenas, of course. So go with Smart and try keeping it F1 slot, not F2. If you are having all the theory classes in F1, like the 1, now many might be thinking, what is this 1, 2? So yeah, the alphabets with 1 is morning slot. Any alphabet with 1 is morning slot. Any alphabet with 2 is evening slot. So if your theory classes are all 1, keep everything 1, and do not do F1, F2 साथ में, A1, A2 साथ में. You will get your exam in morning and evening साथ में. It will be very hectic to give 2 exams literally. So go on keeping the timetable in such a way that you choose every once, like A1, A2, and keep theory in morning suitably. If you can wake up in morning, then keep theory in morning and lab slots in the evening. So how the lab slots are there? So till 30 it's morning lab slots. After 30 it's evening lab slots. Like L1, 2, 3, 14, 15, 16 till 30 is morning, and L41, 42, 52, etc. is evening. So keep in mind that, and keep that in mind and do the timetable accordingly. So written view register courses, यहाँ पे जो register हो चुके हैं वो courses दिखेगा. Modify 5 slots में जाके you can only modify STS and ethics value. लास्ट में करना है ये सब, बीच में मत करना. Delete registered courses में जाके अगर कोई core course का आपको change करना है टीचर, you can change from that delete registered courses में जाके delete करना. OTP आएगा, OTP डालना, फिर जाना. उसके पहले view में जाके just check कि teachers available है कि नहीं है, ताकि अगर किसी के साथ तुम्हें same करना है you can. And curriculum credits view में credits view कर सकते हो. You need to click on home and then foundation course after you are done with all the STS and ethics and value thing. So you will be getting a list of teacher like that. So in view slots I am doing this where teachers name are written. अब notification, what is this? This is a very good thing. So अगर कोई तुमने already कर लिया है A1 में suppose, तो A1 वाले teachers का you will see clashed with that. So you cannot take. जहाँ पे भी ग्रीन से लिखा आएगा दैट इज ओके, जहाँ पे भी रेड से लिखा आएगा नहीं, यू कैन टेक दैट इज क्लैशिंग विद सम अदर थिंग. सो अवेलेबल सीट्स में दिखाएगा अवेलेबल, टोटल सीट्स में टोटल है, कितने ले चुके हो ऑलरेडी उतना. सो या अगर ऑन द स्पॉट तुम्हें चेंज करना पड़े तो व्हाट टू डू, एज पर माई सजेशन I just went to VIT Trends and checked. There are only few teachers left तभी, तो go and check on VIT Trends. That's the option left. और कोई ग्रुप में सीनियर्स के ग्रुप में डाल देना ये टीचर्स कैसे है, they will say you. And if you do not get anything, जिस टीचर का रेटिंग नहीं है उसको उठा लो, क्योंकि जिस टीचर का रेटिंग है that is 1 and 2. अब किसी का रेटिंग नहीं रहता, एकदम रिस्क ले लो भाई, नए टीचर्स होंगे शायद अच्छे हो जाएंगे. So you have to anyways take risk. You do not have any other option. You are not left with teachers. You are not left with any reviews. Nothing. That's it. So after you click on register and select the teacher like the 48, 49 whatsoever is written in here, go and click on regular. इसको अगर नीचे scroll करोगे where there is register, उसके पहले regular पे click करना है then register. And ऐसा नहीं है कि you have to register your lab slots differently and theory slots differently. जहाँ पे थ्योरी स्लॉट्स होगा, लाइक इफ यू क्लिक ऑन फिजिक्स थ्योरी, सो अगर आप सपोज यू टेक एनी टीचर XYZ, if you take teacher, then the lab slot for that XYZ teacher will be given in the end of the page. सो लैब स्लॉट्स अलग से नहीं करना पड़ेगा, वहाँ पे सजेशन दे देगा कि भाई इस टीचर के 2 लैब स्लॉट्स है, ये तुम्हारा एक साथ क्लैश हो रहा है, तुम नहीं ले सकते, यू आर लेफ्ट विद दिस, यू क्लिक ऑन दैट, ये थ्योरी यू क्लिक, नीचे आ जाएगा वो क्लिक, रेगुलर क्लिक, रजिस्टर क्लिक एंड देन सक्सेसफुली रजिस्टर। यहाँ पे भी बहुत जनों का लोड हुआ है। इफ़ दैट्स दी केस 5 मिनट से ज़्यादा 15 मिनट से ज़्यादा बिल्कुल वेट मत करना, गो एंड गो अगेन, वरना जितने वो स्लॉट्स थे वो भी खत्म हो जाएंगे। तुम अगर आधा घंटा इधर ही वेट करने में लगा दोगे। द मिस्टेक आई डिड, मैं लिटरली आधा घंटा वेट कर रही थी बट डिड नॉट डू एनीथिंग। उल्टा बैक जाओ, फटाफट आगे जाओ एंड देन वापस से करो पूरा, वरना 60-50 लेफ्ट होते हैं, 15-10 मिनट्स में एवरीथिंग इज ओवर लिटरली। सो ऐसे करके तुम्हारा कोर्स रजिस्टर होता है। आई होप दिस इज लाइक वेरी 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 क्लियर। सो नाउ लेट्स टेल यू सम इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स विच यू नीड टू फॉलो बिफोर योर FFCS। तो ज़्यादा कुछ होता नहीं है बट यू नीड टू डू दैट टू मेक an ideal timetable. You can use VIT trends. मुझे personally VIT trends पसंद है क्योंकि like the color of background is nice, nothing else. And also you can go with FFCS on Go. So after clicking on VIT trends, you will be visiting a page where you can see 2 to 3 things: the FFCS planner, students feedback, record lab question paper, CGPA calculator. So you go with FFCS planner, student feedback where you can see teachers review, and then you can do add course. Then you can select your course like course number, suppose BSTS 50, and then you can choose anything and that is added in your timetable. ऐसे करके यहाँ से तुम डिलीट कर सकते हो, ऐसे तुम फैकल्टी रिव्यू देख सकते हो, ऐसे करके you can do. So in this way you can do. Now FFCS on Go पे कैसे करते हैं? FFCS on Go is also a website which you can use. So if I select any subject, suppose BSTS, if I select BSTS, so there will be so many slots here. So you can also filter slots अगर तुम्हारे पास slots नहीं है, you need to filter slots and you can select that and add course and it's in your timetable. So ऐसे करके तुम कर सकते हो. It's like very easy to use both of them. Both of them are very nice. You can plan your timetable accordingly. Like at least तुम्हारे slots fix रहने चाहिए. If you don't get any teacher, like fix your slots. लाइक मैथ्स के लिए मैं B1 ही लेने वाला हूँ ताकि मेरा टाइम टेबल में ऐसे हो. मैं केमिस्ट्री के लिए A1 ही लेने वाला हूँ, मैं इसके लिए यही लेने वाला. एंड इफ़ इन केस दैट टीचर इज़ नॉट अवेलेबल, स्टिक विद दैट स्लॉट सो दैट टाइम टेबल इधर उधर ना हो. बिकॉज इफ़ यू डोंट प्लान योर टाइम टेबल, तुम्हारा टाइम टेबल हेक्टिक हो जाएगा एंड यू विल गेट कंटिन्यूअस स्लॉट्स एंड 8 to 9 क्लास इन अ डे. पागल हो जाओ. नाउ इन केस इफ़ लास्ट तक यू कांट रजिस्टर, ऐसा होता नहीं है बिकॉज एंड में, बिल्कुल एंड में लाइक 10 o'clock से 9 o'clock 10 o'clock बहुत स्मूथ चलने लगता है. मैक्सिमम पीपल आर डन विद देयर FFCS, बट स्टिल इन एनी केस इफ़ यू मिस टू डू योर FFCS और इफ़ यू डिडंट गेट द टीचर एक्सेट्रा, so you can write mail and during the add drop course which is after FFCS you can add your course and then you will choose your teacher. Do not worry about that, you can do that. So that are the thing you can follow. Some tips to do during FFCS is do not wait in a page for more than 5 minutes, it's useless. Then use incognito mode and correct 10 o'clock को register करना. Try to click on that button 10 o'clock. कैप्चा वगैरह गलत मत देना. Also try using Mozilla Firefox or if you are using Mac go with Safari, Chrome etc. ये 3 best है. Then other thing is go with like select the teachers according to the slots. Plan your slots beforehand and keep backup teachers, at least 5 or 6 teachers backup, and बाकी के भी reviews देख के रखना so that in case you are left with none you can select the teachers fast and etc. Also किसी senior से contact रखना to get the information of teachers quickly. And also ये सब के बाद you are like okay with the FFCS. Thank you guys. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.